Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader. Welcome to Crypto Wars, Trading Wars Season 3, baby. Crusader, what's popping, bro?
What's going on, bro? I mean, it is madness out here with what's going on right now. Season 3 of Trading Wars is finally here. I'm excited, bro. It's gonna be wild.
Yes, it is. Thank you to our sponsors. We got Market Cypher. If you want to get 20% off on Market Cypher, use our link down below. And then LevX has provided the liquidity to all the traders. So thank you and shout out to LevX, our new exchange. Super excited about working with them. We got a bunch of people back show. We're ready to kick it off. Crusader, do you want to go ahead and announce the contestants? And then we will get into the rules once we bring them up.
That's right. Let's get them up. We got a veteran here, Crypto Crow from Season 1, Season 2. What's going on, man?
What's up?
What's up, dude? Everybody excited to get into the trade. Up next, we got Army Piper in the house. What's going on?
What's up, fellas? What's up?
What up, what up?
We got Alex O Crypto here as well for Season 3. New person on Trading Wars.
Thanks for having me, Otter Gang. We out here.
Let's go. Another new person for Trading Wars, Jenna X. What's going on?
Hey, guys. Thanks for having me.
Up next, we got Evan, the Trigger Man. What's going on?
What is going on, guys? Great to be on again. Super excited.
Another veteran here of the show, AJ Wrights Crypto. What's up, man?
Get rich or get wrecked. Let's go.
And last but not least, well, actually not last but not least, we got Crypto Blood in the house. What's up, dude?
Crypto blood. What's going on, people? Let's go. Let's go.
And if you ain't dropping, you're flopping. We got him in the house. He's working out some mic issues.
Nick Cypher in the house.
And last but not least, we got CryptoFace. What's going on, dude?
Yo.
There we go. We got the lineup here. Listen, I want to go over the rules really quickly. The rules are really straightforward. So, chat, there is a competition. You're not competing. What'd you say?
Don't lose money.
Yeah, don't lose money. Chat, you are not competing against the traders. You guys are competing against each other. And word on the street from LevX is that number could get big for the winnings. The top 3 people are going to win money. The numbers could get large. Excited about that. We will put up a little banner a little bit later, but they are going to be matching your money up to 5K. So super excited about that for when you guys get in. Traders, you guys can trade anything on the exchange, any amount of leverage you want to do. You've got to at least execute one trade, but the word of the season is survive. We are going to be kicking 2 people each week. That's right. 2 people are going to be gone, but the audience is going to have the opportunity in a poll at the end of the show to save one of those people. And the one person that does get saved is going to move on to Thursdays. That is the redemption shows. Somebody's going to make it through the redemption shows, 1 person, and then 2 people who make it through the main show. There'll be 3 people on the final show. Super excited about it. And then you guys will get introduced to this in a little bit. But we got a little thing called the hot seat. So we got a little change to the show that's going to be really big. Super excited about it. So, Crusader, did I miss anything?
No, man, that's about it. So if you want to make sure that your favorite trader on the show right now doesn't get into that final countdown of elimination and you want to save him, make sure you stay to the end to vote for him at the end of the show. But, man, that's about it. The traders are trading. Everybody's rocking and rolling. There is no we're running an hour and 30 minutes today, so everybody's going to have an extra 30 minutes this season of trading time, and that's because we added the hot seat. And when you guys find out what the hot seat is, it's going to be caliente, let me tell you. You're going to be happy that we added a 30 minutes to it. If not, ain't no survival.
It is. And then just a reminder, Flip or Hodl is going to be on Friday. If you guys haven't seen that, it is a game show that we're running. It's a mix between Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. There's $4,100 on the line. I'll run a little banner a little bit later, but drop your super chats. If you got super chats, every dollar is going to put your name on a wheel. If you're a member of the show, it's going to be double. And if you gift membership, it's going to be triple. So super excited about that as well.
Guys, who's in a trade already? Because I see Bitcoin breaking through 43,000.
I am in a trade.
We're all in it. We're all in this.
We're all in. All right, let's start
trading, man.
Let's start rocking and rolling and jumping through here. So if you guys have a trade up, make sure to share your screen and we'll pull it up.
I want to say one more thing real quick. The top trader from each week gets immunity from getting kicked the following week. So if you are number 1 today, you get immunity from getting kicked next week. So try to be that number 1 trader. Try to be the best. Don't be in the bottom 2.
Yo, do I get immunity this week for being a returning champion?
Negative. You just better trade your ass.
Bullshit.
Be that top trader. Do your thing. We got a $20 super chat already, so shout out to the chat. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Let's get into the trading. Let's see what's going on.
I'm pulling up Evan Aldo's screen here. Evan, tell me what's going on, man.
So we went long on the Pepe, $17 in profit. Not a crazy trade. I'll share kind of the trading view to give you a view of what I'm looking at here. Let me just switch the
Oh,
the
quick
window.
reminder. Sorry, Evan, to cut you off, but the hot seat is going to be happening in about 25 minutes or so. Every 30 minutes, the hot seat is going to be happening. So stay tuned for that. Everybody that's trading right now, keep that in the back of your mind. You don't want to be at the bottom of everybody that's on screen right now when it comes to P&L. So
You don't
make
want to be
sure
the bottom
you
two.
have
That's for sure. All right, go ahead, Evan.
So yeah, basically what I'm looking at here on the Pepe is we got a trigger wave kind of forming on our 8 hour right here. That's looking good for obviously the day to the next couple days. And when you zoom in a little bit, you view, for example, the 3 hour, I believe we do have a bullish divergence. Your RSIs look pretty good. They're gapped together, starting to curve up to the top, making it look like we will continue to potentially jump off of this area. Kind of the same thing that you could view on the 2 hour, kind of a bullish formation right there. And on your hourly, similar, just a more zoomed in version. And then probably at some of your lower time frames, money flow kind of generally coming up here. So we'll see what happens, bouncing off of a big point on it. And if we do break upward, a little bit of traditional TA would show you a double bottom. Where would be your next target? Right around, 00125. That would be a big place. And these wicks right here are going to be really big.
So did you throw in your whole bag at like 15x or 20x on that thing?
So I'm on 10x. I'm risking about $150 on this. So nothing too insane.
Nice. Who else is in a trade right now?
Yeah, I'm in 7 trades.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, five.
Right,
I'm in 5. I'm in 5 trades right now.
Wow.
Let's see what you got, Blood.
He's hedging.
So I got 1 short. I'm not hedging any, actually. I'm 1 short and 4 long. I'm in a short on Bitcoin Cash, long BNB, long Doge, ETH, and Solana. I couldn't catch that Bitcoin trade as we all were watching before we went live. So unfortunately, I missed that one. But yeah, that's what I'm in right now. 5
trades. This man is coming out swinging, not playing games. Trading Wars Season 3 has kicked off with a smash, baby.
Am I seeing 48x leverages on those trades? What's the leverage?
Yeah, but some of them are. I max out the leverage, but I'm doing about $40 to $50 a trade.
Okay.
Times times the leverage.
So is that part of your strategy, Blood? Are you looking to do like a lot of trades to kind of set yourself up for opportunity that way, or what's your thought process?
I mean, I got 6-7 trades that I trade simultaneously with Bloodalytics. So
okay. So that's just something normal you do.
It's just what we do.
Love it. I think Crow said he was in on a trade. Crow, is that correct?
Well, I was in a long. I got out of it, went short, and now I'm just down $10.
Okay. So in and out. Didn't play out the way that you wanted it to. You can't win every time. That's okay. Who else is in? Who else is doing their thing?
I am.
Jenna X, first time on the show. Glad to see you. Glad that you're here.
Can you
when you get
a chance?
Screen when you get a chance, please?
Okay, let me go to the share screen.
All right. 138. We got 22 more minutes before the first hot seat of the show.
I'm not actually on an AVAX trade. Hang on. I am actually shorting Solana on the 3-minute.
Okay.
So that's what I'm into right now. And yeah.
A good call.
I did 50x.
50x.
Sure am.
This was the same woman telling us she was in a 200x trade recently.
Yeah. So I'm gonna short that and go look for some more shorts. I'm gonna keep my eye out because of this pump. So we'll see.
She's going hard to paint. I love it. And Jenna, is one of your mentors Army Piper? Is that word on the street?
He is one of my mentors. He and Crypto Lifer. So Army Piper spent some time teaching me how to work the 3, 5, 7-minute charts, scalping, and I learned a lot from him. I use ChartPrime a little bit, and of course, I learned from Crypto Lifer. But he doesn't teach the scalping on the really, really short time frames. We usually look at larger time frames. But yeah.
Well, let's check on Army Piper. Army, you in a trade, good sir?
I am on Ethereum right now. I got a little Ethereum run going. I'm up about $5 right now. Let me bring that in if you can work with me here. Thank you. There you go. Up about $5 right now on that. I'm in a leverage trade on here for one whole Ethereum at 25.83x. I just quickly grabbed it. I saw some action there and grabbed it. But I am watching Solana right here. You guys can see Solana looking like, so we tagged the platinum pocket up here. What we have going on here is 15-minute candles and the 1-hour candles running consecutive on a 5-minute chart, so I can see the candlestick patterns on higher time frames on the lower time frame chart. And I'm watching right now for this rejection that we got cleanly on the platinum pocket. But right now we just tested the golden pocket. I think Solana is getting ready to flip to the upside. So there you go.
Jenna.
Yeah, I just wanted to give that warning to my friend, So
Oh man, bro, this is every person for themselves.
Yeah, what you doing,
whatever
bro?
you want.
What's this?
Hey, knowledge is I can't not help people learn, man. That's what we do. Alex O knows all about this.
Caution, Jenna. He could be actually sabotaging your
Yeah.
trade.
I'm going with my vibes on this.
All right, so Army's in. Crow is in and out. Jenna's in on 50x. Alex O Crypto, first time on the show, bro. Are you actively trading right now? If so, show us your screen.
I'm in a long right now on Ordi.
Can you pull up your screen for us?
Yeah, absolutely. Here you go.
Appreciate you. All right, here we go.
Currently in a long trade on Ordi here. On Market Cipher, I got some nice curving up here on. I don't know if this will show. No, it's not showing, but I got a nice momentum wave to the upside here on Ordi. So I'm definitely looking for this to continue upwards, looking for it to hit around 75.5. Lots of bullish momentum coming up here. Stop loss just below 73.8. Looking for this just to continue up about $8 now, 750.
Fantastic, good sir. Crypto fam, if this is your first time on the stream, welcome. This is Trading Wars on our show, Crypto Wars. We appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Make sure to smash the like. Make sure to sub not only to us and put on the bell notifications, but all these traders are coming on here and having some fun and sharing their knowledge with you for free. So make sure to subscribe to each of them. There's a reason they're on here. You can learn something from each and every one of them. They got Discords going on. I think there's probably some Telegram groups. They've all got a lot of them have indicators. There is a lot of knowledge on one stream. So make sure to check everybody out. That would definitely be appreciated.
That's right. Army pointing out, taking profits. AJ, somebody in the chat wants to know, are you going to break your record from the previous season?
I'm going to give it hell. I got to find a trade first. I'm glad I didn't go with my gut. I decided to wait it out. I'm looking at Sui because it has a lot of volatility and a good enough volume on this exchange. It's kind of like a little bit of chop for the past, a couple minutes, but I'm also been watching Solana, watching Ordi, kind of just going for the coins that are moving out of the selection on the exchange. And yeah, I don't know. I'm a little torn at the moment. Everything's kind of like fighting between SR levels. So I'm kind of just waiting for one to break and then go heavy leverage for a scalp. Probably put in the whole bag. You know how I do.
Well, good luck. Hey, listen, survive. We've got about
quick, huh?
We got about 17. We got about 17 minutes till you guys get introduced to the hot seat. So just want to throw out there that is coming. That is on its way. So be prepared for that.
Mine's heating up. I can feel my ass burning.
Yours is heating up, huh?
Yeah, that chili.
CryptoFace, last season 1 winner, coming back for season 3. Face, are you currently in a trade, brother?
I am. I am. Let me pull up the stream if I can remember how to do this. Okay, share. I understand.
I know.
Okay.
It's pretty.
All righty. Here we go. Yeah, so we're rolling with Matic. Man, I was eyeing Matic earlier before the show at this bottom on the 1 minute. I got in, looks like at 8,552. We're up a little steady, 17.91 unrealized. I think my first take profit's actually coming up right here at 8,581 indeed. So hopefully that'll cover, if we can hit that, cover my fees. And yeah, man, I ham hawked in 7,200. I didn't go as ham as some other folks here. But maybe I should have. Shit.
Well, it
That
looks like
Orky was looking pretty good. This or I saw it going up a little bit. I'm looking at these small time frames. Shout out to the Market Cipher users too. I appreciate you guys on the show. Appreciate you.
we appreciate you for being here, brother, and for sponsoring the show with Market Cipher. We appreciate that always. All right, so shout out to Nick Cipher. Nick Cipher, are you currently in a trade?
I don't know if he's fixed his mic issues.
Man, I thought I heard him.
I thought I heard him talk.
I thought I heard his voice for a second, but
miming it. That's right.
I thought I heard his talk. I thought I heard his voice too.
If he did, he can send a message in the private.
He said it ain't working, but he's here. Are you in a trade, bro?
Right, just pull up your screen.
Just share your screen, bro. Share your screen.
Share your screen and we'll
trade.
Share your screen and we'll interpret.
He says he's telling everyone to go fuck yourselves. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Oh shoot! Well, technical difficulties right off the rip, but that's all right. Let's see what he's doing here.
You know, I mean, just show us your screen, bro.
Well, right now he's just watching the stream.
Hey, while you're doing that, can you pull up my screen real fast for CryptoFace?
What's up?
Oh,
I see green. I see green on unrealized P&L. So
Ethereum. I think he's in Ethereum.
Yeah, an ETH long looks like.
Yeah. Yep. All right. Do those limit set your limit exits, bro.
Set your limit exits.
Hey, can you share my screen real fast for CryptoFace?
There you go.
There you go, CryptoFace. I'm a lifetime owner of Market Cipher, just so you know, bro.
Right on, man. I appreciate that. Hopefully, treat you good, treating you well.
It does.
You drew a little Picasso earlier when you were talking a little Picasso potato head pattern.
Little Mr. Potato Head there. That's a new chart pattern brought to you by CryptoFace and Army Piper.
I am going to be checking. I'm going to be checking everybody's accounts here in about 7 minutes. So just letting you guys know in about 7 minutes.
What's happening, Crow?
What's that mean?
Keeping an eye of your.
Are you still short, bro?
No, I sure as hell wasn't, and I just, goddamn it.
Uh-oh.
AJ looks like he wants to kill somebody. What's happening, man? Never seen
I kind of do.
mean.
No, AJ gets into the zone. He's searching.
I'm confused because in my thing it says that I'm in a Pepe trade, but I'm not. It says positions Pepe up $1.19, but I never did a Pepe. I didn't even look at that chart. What is happening?
Well, I didn't open it for you.
I opened up mine also.
It
on
says it's
link
a $9 trade, 20x that I'm up $1, but I never did that.
Did you? So did you claim your bonus? Did you claim a bonus?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, okay, sick. I was just like, what is that? Okay.
Yeah, that's because when like the little bonus things come up, it's a 20x like altcoin trade. You can choose to like long or short.
Okay.
So that's my guess as what it is.
Understood.
20x and my trade's going against me now. Fuck.
All right, guys. Smash those likes if you haven't already. We got almost 400 people in here. We need to get those 200 likes going.
I'm sorry for cursing. I'm sorry.
You're good.
It's a family show.
That's inevitable.
It's a family show.
Shout out to everybody in the
watching.
chat. Just a reminder, every Monday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Trading Wars, we're kicking 2 people each week. One of those has the opportunity to get saved, and the person that ends up on top each week gets immunity for the following week. In about 5 weeks from now, there's going to be 3 traders in the final, and we are going to see who's going to take home the prize.
And you, the viewers, are going to be able to save that trader. So make sure you stick to the end to save whatever trader you think deserves to get another chance at
Blood, ain't it Martin Luther King Day today?
It sure is. I'm working, baby.
That's right.
No rest for the wicked. If you guys want to join into the competition, the link is in the chat. The top 3 audience traders win money, and that number could get big just depending on how many people trade. So make sure to sign up with our link. That is down below in the description of the video. We'd love to have you guys join. You're not trading against the traders. You are on your own trading against the other audience members. Let's see who is the best.
How's that Ordy doing, man? How's that
Not
Ordy
too well,
trade, Alex?
Alex, you got a trade going against you, bro?
No, it's just retesting. We'll see if it does get a bounce from here. It's okay. So I'm down, less than $1, but it looks like it's just retesting, could continue upwards. So we'll see where it gets to.
I'm up $20 on AVAX short and in profit on a Solana short. I did take that schlong with Solana. That is down right now, but have faith that'll come up later.
Jenna X coming out swinging.
Okay.
Hell
You
yeah.
just kick me off right damn now. Everything I would have wanted to do happened before we started, and now I'm dropping and floping and groping, as they say.
We got time. We got
I'm
time.
inverse trading myself. I should be anyway, and I'd probably be ahead, but fuck my life. I don't know what else to tell you.
We got 10 minutes before the hot seat, 5 minutes before we start taking everybody's P&L. So guys, keep track of your P&Ls.
Don't even take my P&L.
Crusader.
Hey, so what's the hot seat? What happened? What like we got the hot seat? What happened?
We'll explain it when it starts. What was that? What was that comment saying?
Oh, he was just asking how the show works. He said, yo, how does the show work? Do they show the trades or just the results? No,
No,
we're
they
actively
kicked off the tallest person on the panel first. That's what they do. It's discriminatory.
Yeah.
We just tell everyone we're trading, but none of us are doing shit.
Yeah, no,
We're
the
sitting
trades are there.
here,
Everybody can see. We pull up your screens. Everybody sees their account, the trades that are in, the profit.
Do you guys have a scoreboard that you guys can see?
We can't
We
see.
will.
No, we don't have one, but
will
we have
have it.
one that's being
being
drawn
made.
up. And we're trying to get it to see if we can do it live, like
Live.
have it running. That's what we're trying to
Exactly.
do. But
That'd
way
easier.
Yeah, I know. It
Oh,
would
yeah.
be. But we're gonna have to run through and ask. I'm sorry, Blood. We're gonna have to actually ask you for the information here in just a minute.
All right.
So sorry, making it difficult on everybody. Fam, if you haven't already smashed the like, make sure to do that. Follow all these creators. Let's see here. So today's Martin Luther King Day.
Yep.
Have you guys been watching the charts? Let me just ask. I'm gonna ask you, Evan. Evan,
Yep.
on a day that the stock market's closed, do you see anything different on a day like today than you otherwise normally would?
So it typically, any day that the stock market is closed, it typically works more like the weekends, where there's typically, not always, but typically less volatility, typically less trading volume. Typically it is a little bit harder to trade on the weekends. And typically the way price moves is generally more sideways into the general like macro. So for example, since we're still kind of in a general bullish environment, I'd expect things to be more sideways bullish, typically is what you see on days like today. They typically, days where the stock market is not trading are typically the harder days to trade from my experience.
Okay. All right. Anybody else disagree with that, or people agree with that thesis?
Market makers are on break during the weekends. They can't fuck with you, so you don't know what's happening.
Not Chinese.
And now that we got a Bitcoin spot ETF, that really is going to play a part in holidays. So
Yeah, I don't know. I was talking about the spot ETF making things dump, and it looks like, unless that was just happenstance, it looks like that has occurred. Do we think that that's going to continue? Is that kind of a thought process, or we think we're about to bounce back up? Am I going to lose my one Ethereum bet that we're not going to hit 50K before the halving?
now we're bouncing off a nice area of support. I got a trend line that I've had drawn here. I can share my screen on this one. And
All right,
you
yeah,
can
pull that up.
see, yeah, you can see here that we've been having some nice bounces off of 41,000, and now we're getting back above that yellow trend line there. So if we can break above $43,000 Bitcoin and stay above there, I think we'll start to head higher from
What
here.
the fuck?
Okay,
So yeah, we'll see.
around 43. All right, let me do a
But
P&L.
we're running into support resistance right now in that area. Exactly
Okay.
that area. So we'll see.
50K is inevitable, Nick. You can't.
Well, I know it's going to happen,
Gonna
but
happen, bro. But
I know I've got my ETH, loaded
just
up.
send them out, dude.
Let's take a, let me grab everybody's P&L real quick. Can you guys tell me what your account value is at right now as we speak?
Let's start with Army. He's the first one in the line.
Army.
What
What are you at?
You're
You're muted,
muted,
good sir.
Bring you got people got to bring the screens up. I ain't. I
Yeah,
don't want
no,
this
we're
to
gonna
go,
pull it up. We're
this
gonna pull
ain't
it up.
no,
Show and tell.
Biden,
man.
you
Show
know,
and tell.
voting.
All-
No,
well, we should just all type it at the same time in the chat, and so where you know what I'm saying.
Oh yeah.
Army's
Is there a chat?
Army's at, yeah, there is a private chat. Army's at 9:30.
940.
940. Okay. Army's at 940. Give me the next one.
I'm at 970.17.
Okay.
972.34.
Next.
Bro, where are you at?
978.
963.36.
What was that?
963.36.
Okay. Alex.
So
980.
980.
I just closed the trade at 1,007, and it took me to 963.
You could see mine, right?
Evan's
378.
at 1,062.
What's he at?
1,000.62.
1,000.62. Okay.
Jenna.
Good job,
where's your
champ.
screen?
I am at 994.
Okay.
Atta girl.
Blood.
AJ. No, we got blood. Right?
995.
962.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. One at a time.
Yeah, I got it. I got both of them. And then Nick Cypher. Can you ask
Send us a smoke signal.
Face? Send us a smoke signal. Face, are you still on the phone with him or no?
He'll text me.
Okay. All right. So I need
He's
that
at
number.
991.
991.
All
All
right.
right. So the two people in the hot seat are Army Piper and Crypto Blood. Blood and Army Piper are going to be put into the hot seat. All right. So let me explain the hot seat. Let me explain the hot seat real quick. Effectively, what you guys are going to do in just a minute, you're going to have 10 minutes to execute a trade, to get in and out of a trade. You got to get in and out of it profitably to help yourself. All right. You're going to spin a wheel. We're going to have you each spin a wheel. You're going to spin a wheel for what asset, and then you're going to spin a wheel for the amount of leverage on that asset. You have to execute a trade on that asset at that leverage. You've got 10 minutes to get in and out of a trade profitably. You can do it quick as heck if you get in and you're out profitably. But if you do not execute on it, you're going to lose 2% on the end of the show's P&L. Got it?
That's very complicated.
Got it.
But let's go.
No, what does the leverage wheel go
We're
to?
gonna give you an asset and we're gonna give you a leverage.
Leverage maxes are different. Like
Yeah, they all
coins, you
different.
can only go up to like 25x.
Right.
Like, you can't go up to 100x and all of them.
No, I don't have any of them at
No, we
that.
don't have
There's,
100x on that.
there's
But
one.
you're giving us the leverage in the pair.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're gonna spin.
Okay.
I'm gonna spin a wheel, and we're gonna pull it up here in just about 2 minutes. Here, we're gonna pull that up. So,
Well, might as well just start spinning it now. Start getting it ready so that
Yeah.
they have the full 10 minutes to trade it.
I'll do it. I'll do it right now.
Yeah.
Let's pull these up. We got.
Here we go.
Boom. Well, I got to pull them both up. Hold on a second. I'm just.
Jenna, good call on the Solana short.
Hey, yeah, I took that long though, and I shouldn't have, but that's okay. I'm just
Oh,
gonna
no.
go over it. Yeah. But
I'm
I
over
got
here
it.
like she's killing.
I know I was too, and I was like, damn it. But I was like, shit, Army Piper, and I was like, you know what, girl, it's all good. I'm making it up now.
It did
Trust
bounce.
yourself. Listen to yourself.
Yeah.
Always.
It did
All right.
bounce up from the golden pocket to the platinum pocket and then reject it again. So
I don't care about these pockets right now.
Now
I'm
money's
only
falling
on
out my
1, 3, and 5.
Pocket.
Hey, Blood.
All right, here we go.
Hey, Blood. Here we go. Here we go. Blood. I'm gonna spin the wheel for you first. All right.
All right.
Here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
You are going to be trading
Sweet.
and
Hey, that thing's been ripping lately, man.
and then we are going to.
How do I do a start? Okay, silly.
Here you go. And then we're going to spin for your leverage. You got
Oh,
a
this is
Sui
fun.
trade.
Yeah, give them the max.
Sui trade at
50x.
drum roll
Where's that 50?
20x on a Sui trade.
So I can go long or short. Doesn't
You
matter.
go long or short, does not matter. Yep.
Okay.
Pull up
Army
the next
Piper, you are next. Let's see what you got.
Spin
Army,
it.
I got to
Let's go.
Do I have to trade now or
you're going to
wait?
start
we got
in 1
next
second.
10 minutes.
Just a second. Hold on a second. Just wait till Army gets his, and then you guys have 10 minutes. Oh, IOTA. All right. And
That's
then your
boring.
leverage is going to be. Your leverage is going to
Like
be.
the game of life.
Oh, it almost hit 40. 5x. 5x. All right.
5x.
So, yes, sir. So, we got a
But
Sui trade.
what's the cost though?
What do you mean?
How much margin?
Do you mean how much of a trade? I don't care how much. I don't care how much you use.
you're not getting what I'm saying though. Like you have to give us a set amount for it to be equal.
No, you can use whatever amount you
on
want
the margin.
And
So what's the point? What's the point of telling us the leverage?
What do you mean?
Face, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, if you could do $1, I mean, you could say, you know,
round.
I mean, it's still at least
right. I could put
$50.
$1 up,
fucking,
at 20x, but it doesn't matter if he puts $20 up at 4x. He's trading more.
It just roll with the punches, man.
I'm just saying, man. I don't.
Yeah, but it's about the person who wins more money, though. So
I get what you're saying. It's like
Trade at
Jeopardy. It's like Jeopardy. You could, you know, I mean, like the last question of Jeopardy. You know, you can do a little one. You can do.
You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose 2% if you're not able to execute on the trade. I guess we can revisit that, but I don't think it matters. I mean, ultimately, you're putting an amount of leverage on an asset. It makes it. You know what I mean? Like I understand what you're saying. I can lose less money. I know what you're saying.
Yeah, there's a 2% penalty on top of whatever you lose that gets added to your P&L. So you risk however much you want into that trade.
Man, I should have shorted this shit.
Yeah.
We can revisit that, Crusader, and talk about that.
Yeah, I'll explain.
But it would be different. It would be different though, Blood. He's got 5x, you've got 20x.
But what I'm saying is, we gotta both trade the same margin amount too.
So okay, I know what you're saying, but like it's not a versus thing.
It's
like,
not
you're
versus
each other. You're just trying to beat the trade. You're trying to come out of that trade profitable. It's not a you versus Army right now. So if you don't come out of the trade profitable, you get hit with a 2% P&L hit negative on top of whatever you lost on that trade.
All right, gotcha.
I get what you're saying now.
Yeah, he thought they were competing.
I don't know what the hell just happened on my shit. This is kind of wonky.
Who's in profit overall right now? I know this is tough.
Alex.
Atta boy.
Alex is profitable right now. Anybody else?
Alex was up $46. Is that what I'm seeing right now? 49. The thing's climbing.
What is that? The Ordi?
I closed the Ordi.
Are we
I'm up
supposed to start this trade already?
And I switched to
yeah. Started Army. Started.
Switch
Yeah.
to
Sorry,
what?
Blood Army. Yes.
SEI.
And once we're in the trade, we can't switch.
You can exit out of the trade whenever you want, but you need it to be profitable as your goal. So you can get in and out, but you've got 10 minutes.
So what I'm saying is, if I want to switch to go long, if I went short, can I switch to go long?
If you can make if you can make it profitable. Yes, sir.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Do it however you want. Yes, sir. Okay, so Alex O is profitable. I want to throw out there to everybody watching. First of all, we are making these traders trade, and this is incredibly difficult to do. You know, normally you get to pick out what exactly what you're trading, when you're trading, how you're trading. You don't have to exit out of the trades at the end of the show. So I just want to throw out there that we're putting them in a difficult situation for your entertainment. Just keep that in mind as you're watching, and make sure to compete, guys, because we've got some big money on the line available to all of the traders. The link should be in the chat. Crusader, that link is in the chat, correct?
Yeah, it's pinned in the chat.
Top 3 traders are going to be winning money, and they're going to match up to 5K. Get a 5K bonus on there. That link is in the chat. So,
all right, who else is in profit? We got Alex. So who else is in profit right now?
Martin Luther King Day has not been good to the people.
I'm down $30, so I'm less in the red than I was when we did our hot seat thing. So I'm at 970.
Evan, how's your trade going?
I'm $2 in profit. Basically, so let me show you right here. Basically, what I'm looking at in the really low time frames is we do have, I believe this is a hidden bull div on the obviously not the strongest bull sign, but for the sake of short term trying to, chase price, hidden bull div in the 1 minute. Hopefully we can jump forward a little bit. I still kind of like, if we could really zoom in here, look at right here when we were in the red on the 30-second last time, jumped up. If we do that again, you're looking at something of this nature, and we can come up a bit higher over the next half hour, hopefully. So that's what I'm looking at. And then if you really, you zoom out a little bit, there are some good signs on Pepe right now, like trigger waves forming, all these trigger waves and all these time frames. I would expect, in the next day or two, us to get up to 00126. That's what I'm looking at. So,
We still got an hour left. It's only been 30 minutes.
And I want to throw in one
Feels
more
like
thing.
forever.
You can't go on the hot seat. You can't go on the hot seat twice. I don't think you're safe if you're just not in the. If Blood and Army were in the hot seat again on the second hot seat, it ain't going to be Blood and Army. It's going to be the next two up. So you want to be towards the top of that leaderboard. Just want to let you know.
Don't worry, I'll be in there.
In the top six.
Crow said, "Don't worry, I'll be in there.
I'll be right there in that hot seat." Honestly, I feel like we would have been. We should have like played with the exchange for a couple hours or something on our own, which I wasn't sure if we could do or what to do, because I'm like just getting caught up in random shit. This operates a bit different than the other one, and it's caught me slipping a couple times, and I wasn't sure. I'm like, where's my fucking order and where's my stop limit? And then I thought my stop limit became an active order, and it shouldn't have. And I'm like, I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Gotta prepare and survive, man.
Survive.
AJ, how's it going over there, man? I see you very focused today.
Yeah, I just chopped in a sweet short. It's like in a downtrend and it popped up. So I'm trying to see if it can come back and test the recent low. I went 10x with 70%, 75% of the bag. Hold on, what do I click? It's literally the trades.
Show that screen, boy. Show that screen.
I'm looking for the button. Chill. I'm sorry. I don't have 7,000 trades to manage. Hold on. Share stream link. Share stream link. Is that good?
No,
I don't know what it looks like on your side.
You got to go to you see where it says share and the bottom near the leave button, right near the leave button where it's just like the share.
Yeah, it's just a little
man.
TV monitor.
Yeah, I clicked stop. It says stop. I clicked that.
Oh, you had something sharing.
You should be sharing then.
I clicked share stream link. I clicked it.
Huh.
I wish I had my soundboard together.
I don't see your screen.
Did you click select to a window?
I'll click share stream
Share it
link. I just clicked it again.
Keeper, take some of your screens off. Hold on. Let me take some of your screens off.
It's not working.
Take some of your screens off.
All right.
Maybe you're just blocking it. No, take them off.
Well, no. Sorry, I got it.
Let's go.
I still don't see it.
Yeah, I still don't see his screen share anywhere.
Yeah, why is it saying share stream link anyway? Wouldn't it just say share screen?
I'm clicking. It says more, and then it says video settings, audio settings, private chat, share stream link. I clicked share stream link.
No,
that's
no.
You're trying to share the stream.
Yeah,
you guys can share it all on X all you want.
No, I get. But there's nothing. I don't
share
see.
the top right.
You chopped my head off for trying to share on the live. We can share now.
No, I'm saying share it out on X.
Yeah, bro, you're clicking.
No.
You're clicking.
Chopped your head off.
You're clicking the
Share in
wrong
the top
share,
right
brother.
corner. You need to click share down at the bottom.
Okay.
Bottom.
You know why? Because I had it scrunched in and it didn't have the other. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
There it is.
There it is.
Joey Biden. I'm seeing
$2.
a lot
It
of
worked.
Joey Biden.
He's flying.
I'm up $2.
All right. So what is it that you're in, Sui? Is that what the stream
Yeah,
is?
Sui short.
What is Sui?
Damn, are you long or short on Sui?
I'm short.
He's short.
Okay.
Man, I told you,
I just know-
I've never
What
traded
is
that.
Sui?
ripping the
I
last
don't even know
couple of
what
days.
the hell it is.
Anyone know what that shit is?
It's like
It's
like
the layer one by the Meta Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Really?
It's backed by Andreessen Horowitz, FTX Ventures.
Wow.
Has pretty high TPS.
You're so smart.
A lot of
with all
people
this
have
stuff.
been a lot of volume lately. It's kind of like a hot coin at the moment, which is why I targeted it because of its volume, even on this exchange. They do a bunch of shit.
Yeah,
All right, so gentlemen, we got one more minute. Let me check in with Army and Blood. Army, we'll go to you first. How are we looking?
I am down 96 cents.
You are down 96 cents. Okay, so tell the stream how little of a trade did you execute there?
Well, the trade is a $393 value.
Okay.
I entered the trade with $80, $79.50.
Okay. All right. Yep. And then Blood, you're at a Blood. Blood? Yours was a 20x. I know that. How are you looking?
On my so I'm actually down $5 right now.
You're down $5 on you. So you guys are both down. We got
$6,
one more minute
something like that.
left.
My
We might
P&L
take-
is 1%.
hold on. You're up 1% right now?
No, I'm down 1% right now
Okay.
on that trade.
All right.
P&L.
And then Blood, you're down
I'm
just
up
a hair as well.
34,
Yep.
Okay.
33.
All right. You guys can do what you want with that trade, but the hot seat is over. You guys just took a 2% hit. Just letting you know.
Gotcha.
2%.
Oh no.
2%.
Man.
We didn't want to make it too aggressive because, we're making you.
I mean, but you know what?
you
The
know.
fees, you should, I feel like, and listen, it's your show. I'm not hating. I like the idea. But maybe just like maybe you're forcing them into it, but like they don't have to force out until maybe the end of the show.
No. They don't have to force out. They can do whatever they want with it. That's what I was saying. They don't have to.
then
They don't have
what's
to
the
exit.
2%
They don't have
hit?
to exit. It's just that after the 10 minutes,
They had 10 minutes to
get-
execute a profitable trade. That's what the hot seat is.
That's
They can keep the trade
impossible.
open.
That's impossible.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I closed my trade, and my total is now 1,001.7. Let's go. Let's go. It said I was up. It said I was up 38, and then I closed it, but I don't understand how that worked out because I set limit too.
So you
I have
got
not used limit yet.
I guess.
Crow said, "I'm the
guess.
market king."
It's fine. At least I'm not.
Oh yeah,
I'm in profit. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's it.
I'm down to $660, so I think everyone's safe.
Oh man.
Let's go.
Crow.
I do want to throw out there real
No
quick,
predictions
just
on the first
a quick reminder. Thank you. Shout out to Market Cipher for sponsoring the show. We've got a 20% link, 20% off link in the description. And then shout out to LevX for providing the
Let's
liquidity
go.
to everyone. And then speaking of money, we've got $4,100 on the line for our game show, Flipper Hodl. That's on this Friday. I believe it is Gareth Soloway coming on, I believe.
Oh, wow.
Friday.
Oh yeah.
So Gareth Soloway is going to come on and play. He's going to bring his crew. It's going to be our crew. Hopefully everybody watching is going to be on there. And whatever he wins is going to get tossed out to somebody on this wheel. So every $1 of a super chat, get your name on that wheel. If you're a member, we'll double that up. And if you gift memberships, we will triple that up. So
Isn't Gareth
that
just
wheel
going to
rock and
short
roll.
all the way to 60 grand?
We're going down to 12 again.
Oh, boy.
Shots fired.
Ooh.
Shots fired.
Ouch.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Ooh.
I actually like him, so I'm not trying to throw shade, but it is kind of funny. If he's still waiting for $9 grand, you might be waiting a little while.
somebody else said, who was it? Who was the guy
Blockchain
that called?
backer.
Yes, blockchain
Blockchain
backer is calling
Yeah.
for like 3K or something.
Oh,
Interesting because he
Financial
did call the
collapse.
top of the last bull in 21 November. He did
did.
call that shit. He
Yeah,
did.
back.
Everybody,
So
Hey,
it is-
that's
yeah.
not- here's
So
that
did
January.
I. So did I. That doesn't mean
It's that
much.
BitConnect January. Everybody get ETFs.
Usually there
I
could
wouldn't
be some people are
surprised.
calling the top since 9K and then they got it right, like
Yeah.
Crypto
I
Savvy.
want to know who called
Yo,
the double peak
CryptoFace.
market in
Yeah, he's
April.
on
That's
that.
that's what I want to know.
Yo, CryptoFace, I asked you this a
Cricket.
year ago, and now I want to follow up. Do you still stand by the
Oh,
forever
yeah.
top theory?
69. Yeah.
I mean, what? I don't know how long ago it was, but I said what? If,
Well,
if it was 3 years, if I'm still right after 3 years, that's forever for me. That's good enough. For me.
I agree. That's fair.
No.
That's fair.
Just be right through the whole bear market, and
man.
I'm good.
But yeah, it's possible. I mean, it's possible.
Yeah.
The point of me
It's
saying that
funny.
is it's fucking possible.
Yeah, I agree. And I asked you on Around the Blockchain over a year ago, and your answer is that if that's right in 5 years, I would consider it correct. So now you're right on the money there.
I've been right
think
every day.
It's
I've been
very
right every day.
possible.
Yeah.
I sold my ass at 50K. Still was the right move.
Mhm.
Right. Totally.
Shout out to Mr. Wolf with the $5 super chat. We just put you on the wheel for Friday. You do have to be here, so make sure that you're here on Friday. Last week and the week before, CryptoFace, the last 2 weeks, and you threw the money out to the stream, which is how it works. You brought in $2,000, right? $1,900. We gave away $1,100, and so 2 weeks ago he won $1,100. Last week he won $800. So $1,900, guys. We're not talking about little money. I'm just throwing that out there. There's some big numbers have been getting taken home on Flipper Hodl, so make sure to check us out on that as well.
I gotta check that one out. I haven't watched that show.
That's Friday. It's Fridays at 1:30.
Blood, we'll bring you on and play. You want to come on and play?
Yeah, I have to check. Yeah, definitely.
Heck yeah, we'll do it. And anybody on here, if you guys want to come on and play, bring your community over. We'll have some fun with it. And then, but you don't get to keep the money. You gotta give it to the people. Okay,
Of course.
gotta give it to the people.
All right, what other big trades are happening here?
It's time for this shit to reverse back up. Come on, baby. I'm looking at this. It's gonna take time. I think I'm gonna double down in this shitty trade. I think I'm going.
What are you trading, Face?
That's what I was doing.
Matic, you know, normally I'm not a believer in DCing into a red trade, but today I am.
Oh, did your trade go against you? Because you were
all
up
the
and
rules
dropped earlier.
Yeah,
Oh, I mean,
it's
that.
we're talking, it's
just to give myself a little redemption, Keeper, if you wouldn't mind showing my screen for a second as I'm doing horribly in this. Hold on, I'm gonna share something real quick because I have to, like, where the hell is it? So here's the one. That's not my screen, damn it. What is it? So that's when I called the market peak on April 13th. And then this other one, I want to know, because there's so many people in here, who did this ever? Where is it? Why are all my shit not showing?
Hold on a second. Are you about to tell me you called it in April and in November?
April 13th. I meant the first of 2 cycle peaks. This isn't the end, but a pause and a reset. Nobody fucking called that. Nobody called a 2-peak market.
I did.
Where, motherfucker? Show it.
I did. Wait,
Show
bro,
the proof.
how do you know? How do you know it would be 2 peaks? Were you looking at 2013? Like, what?
I was
what
looking
were
at
you
the
thinking?
2007 NASDAQ, and it lined up identically to the candle.
But what?
That's
I mean,
dope.
we're talking traditional finance versus Bitcoin. What would make you?
Because the more institutions that get into trading, and they're using all their typical trading shit and their algorithmic bots and everything else that they're doing to try and take over the trading market, everything started to line up more and more and more until it fell right on an identical pattern through a multi-year cycle. And when
TradFi starts having crypto on their books, Keeper, then they have to kind of portfolio rotate. So if they have exposure in other like TradFi stocks, they're going to sell some of their crypto to cover the, you get what I'm saying? So it starts to become correlated.
Could
Makes
not
sense.
go
Well, it
to
sucks at
dinner
this little
without
scalp shit,
hearing
but-
about people talking about every single, and no matter where in the world, multiple countries, multiple different restaurants. Every time I'd go out to dinner, that's how I knew shit was going to be hitting the fan. Everyone was talking. You could not hear about crypto every fucking time you go out.
Yeah.
We're 13 minutes away from the next hot seat. So, guys,
Great
get
indicator.
prepared. Make your trades if you're going to make your trades, because if not, you might be next on the hot seat.
Hey, CryptoFace said we got a chat here that says, "Can you please talk about your Matic trade? What were your thoughts when you entered?"
The thoughts were
let me pull this up. All right, share. It says share link.
Your screen's on screen already.
We've got yours on there.
That was a joke.
You're making fun of AJ. Well done. Well done.
Let's see here. So earlier, before the show, I was looking at this 1 minute beautiful money flow coming up. And to be honest, what I was thinking was, please keep going now that the show has started. And pretty much where I'm at right now. So we'll see your little 3 minute, little kind of an inward curve view. It's a little bit of a fight. It's a little bit of a fight, but we still got time. What time is it? You got 40 minutes. It's going to be close, but I'm not changing this shit. I'm sinking or swimming. I'm going down or going up. And what's Bitcoin looking like right here? Yeah, well,
I love this. I love this chat. Mark Dutch says, "That's why I got rid of my ex-girlfriend. Everyone was talking about her and how much they got."
What's her number?
You know what? The sluts are always the funnest people to hang out with, though.
That's a great comment. That is a great comment.
Oh man!
All right, so how's everybody looking?
Yeah, we'll see. Overall, like even like the low hourlies look bullish and kind of, and stuff. And so I know it's kind of just, in this a lot of time. She goes up, she goes down. Is she going to go up, while we're here? So I'm holding on to this Matic trade. Wish me luck.
All right. Let's go around the table here, see how everyone else is doing on their trades. Army, how are you going? How you doing over there?
Horrible.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Good thing you can't be on that hot
It's
seat
starting to
again.
bounce back down. So I'm down about $50 on this trade. But this golden pocket. So golden pockets. So we rejected through the golden pocket. So I was like, okay, cool. We got confirmation here. Nice.
What is this on
retest.
Solana?
We went. Yeah, this is Solana. We went down and hit the 50% and then bounced back up. Now we're fighting with this golden pocket again, but we're getting a little rising triangle here. So ascending triangle. So I don't know. We're gonna have to see. I still think downside is correct on this. Once we got the second double top here on the platinum pocket, we had a double top. It went down. Now I'm losing some of my trades, so it's okay.
That's okay. It happens.
It happens.
All right, so Army is down right now.
Coming back.
Who else we want to check in on? Who's
Let's
next?
check on Alex
Alex.
Crypto. Just go
Yeah.
on.
I'm still hunting. I'm out of my trades, so right now I'm hunting. I'm looking at like
Oh,
I'm
you
up.
jumped out of-
What
jumped out
did
of
you get out of?
Bigger trade?
What did you
I got
roll,
out
man?
of Psy. I just rode that quick scalp up to SEI up to 76.90. Got out of that for a nice
That was
little
profit.
profit.
Did you limit out? Were you profitable? Or did the fees get you?
No, the fees didn't get me. I was up $100, so I took
Fucking A.
I'm at
Nice.
1068 right now.
You dog.
Let's
Shout
go.
out to
So,
you, brother. Hell yeah,
nice.
kicking ass and taking names. I love
You
it.
want to show us how and
Love it.
why you did that?
Yeah, I was looking for a retest here on my charts. If you can see, I was looking for the retest of these highs here. You can see major breakout volume coming in, massive move up. Confluence on market cipher with money flow crossover down here. So I thought this would continue. It came back, retested these highs. I put a limit order here and a limit order here. So half of the position got filled, pumped back up to these highs, got out quickly. So that
Let's
was
go,
pretty much
baby.
the
We're
trade.
pumping. I'm back
Like
in the
it.
green, baby. I'm back in the
One.
green.
I like it. Shout out to Crypto Angels with the $10 super chat. I do want to say Crypto Angels has won $1,600. He won twice, bro.
Yeah.
Nice.
Twice.
He should be on here.
Twice.
What's going
Or
on?
they-
Jeff?
whoever
Shout out
they
to
are.
Crypto Angels. He's an OG subscriber of mine from back in the
Dude,
day.
he has won twice. The first time he ever came on the show for Flipper Hodl, he came over from Ben's show. He put in a $10 super chat last second. He won. And then this last week, I felt bad. The person that won wasn't there when it popped off. And then we spun it again and he won again. And so I think he's got maybe $30, $40, $50 worth of super chats, and he's won like $1,600 or something wild
It
like
pays
that.
to donate.
Yes, sir.
right.
Well, at least for him, it has. That's for sure. Dave Digital with a $2 super chat. Appreciate you,
Let's
Dave.
keep it going. Jenna X, what's going on with it? How's your profit going?
Actually, I'm at 938. It's not grand right now, guys. Not grand.
So you're looking for another
Stream,
trade, or you're still in the trade?
I am on I'm basically scalping. I scalped SCI a couple times to make up for something that I lost. And hang on, let me show the screen.
Share the link.
Yeah, share the link.
Share out that link,
Fine.
Share the link. Share the link.
I'm just scalping SHIB
You're
at
gonna
a
be
50
trending
X.
soon.
Yo, that's a hashtag right there, AJ. Share the
That's
link.
golden. Sorry,
He's gonna
Jenna.
come out with a hoodie line.
Yeah.
I'm
Already
just
did.
watching
Share the
SHIB
link.
on the so SHIB on the 5 minute lower time frames. Scalping. I have to be really careful because obviously it looks like shit on the larger time frames, but I don't really care about that right now. And then I have a TIA position I'm going to need to mitigate. So
Okay.
we'll see.
All right.
Who's next?
Dang, man.
So we got Jenna. So we got Evan Aldo. Evan, where you at, brother?
Yeah, can you guys see my? Is it shared? Is it sharing?
Yes, it is.
I'm up.
We see your trading view. We don't see your.
I'm
Sharing the
10,
link.
1014. I'll show you the trading view, like what I'm looking at right now. Then, so what I like here is you got the green dot, market cipher, B on the 10-minute continuation, view up coming up. 6 minutes even better. That just confirmed green dot continuation here. And then if we look at some of the shorter time frames, smaller time frames, little trigger wave in the 30 minutes. So that could hopefully bring us back up to this area, potentially even higher here. Looking at the 1 minute, you have the trigger wave. Hopefully more of that will, kind of play out here. I still like how PayPay is looking. I don't see any reason to close this out just yet. So gonna probably hold on to this. Hopefully we could break upward from, you know, this kind of formation here. Maybe a little bit higher. 001243 is what I would be looking at. Around this high right there. Yeah, that kind of area will probably be the next place where we.
Bro, right now, Alex O Crypto is looking like he's going to be snagging some immunity for next week if y'all don't catch up. So you better put your game face on, Alex O, Otter Gang, saying, hey, I'm here to win. I'm here to win. All right, so let's check in on AJ.
It's because Alex O's a goat, man.
I'm a little
goat. 5 more minutes before the next hot seat. Get ready. AJ, you
to have fun.
Yeah, well, yeah. So being patient at the moment, kind of hunting. I'm in profit at I'm up $1.73. And like I said at the beginning of the show, that if you basically don't trade and stay above, you won't get eliminated on episode 1. And this is a game of survival, and I think my $1.73 is more than enough to take me to episode 2 safely. So
there you go.
But would you avoid the hot seat in the next 5 minutes? That was going to be the question.
AJ is managing the marathon very well right now.
Yeah,
right.
That's what it is. It's a
Long
5-week
term
marathon.
outlook.
Sure. Who we got next? We got Blood next.
Yep. I think mine should be already shared.
Yep.
Yeah. So I'm down. I'm at 944 right now.
Okay, that's not bad.
But I got I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7 trades on the day.
Oh man, I don't know how you manage so many trades, dude. I messed that up.
Looking at the screens, man. Looking at the screens.
All right, up next we've got. Let's see who's up next.
Man, how many screens do you have?
I got 3.
Question.
Yeah, I got 3.
All right, already.
We got Face.
Hey,
up
Mark
next.
Dutch.
What you got going on?
Mark
What do
Dutch
I
in
got
the
going?
chat asked
What?
AJ if that strategy that he's using works on Tinder also.
I don't know. I've been in a relationship for 5 years. I haven't done Tinder in like 7 years. I don't know.
Yeah, he's
maybe,
been dollar cost averaging for the last
maybe
5
I'll have to
years.
ask my little cousin how it's
Long-term
going.
investor right there.
I'll ask my little bro how it's going because I have no idea.
That's the way to go, dude. Long time investment. That's what it is. Don't worry. I've been with my wife for like 15 years or something.
There you go.
Bro, how you doing, man? Text me your shit.
Yeah,
What?
check in on Nick's
Brother.
cipher. We'll get Nick's technical difficulties worked out. We actually had Magic Internet Money on the slate, and I don't know if he gets up at like 3 a.m, so I'm guessing maybe he napped. But yeah, he's gonna probably forfeit his
He
place.
slept through this one.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I think my shit's working, by the way. Can you guys? Well, it's funny. We created Market Cipher, but we did not create microphones, so it takes us a while to figure this shit out.
Nick, are you hiding yourself on screen because you want to be like your brother over here, or
Man, don't worry about that shit. That ain't none of your business.
We're just horrendously ugly, bro. You guys are all way prettier than we are. We're not handsome, so. But yeah, man, dude, I hate entering trades for reasons other than like trading. You know, like we're all just flopping and groping. But can you guys see my screen?
Let's see here. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Share link.
Pulling it right now.
Man, I hope it's working, man. I'm so done with this shit.
Yeah, I
It's
see
working.
it.
Got you. So I got in at like this terrible time, like at this local little high, because I saw the 30-minute money flow coming up. So I thought we had some, you know what I'm saying, like a mama turtle or something backing me up. On the small time frames, though, like we corrected down a little bit, but I went with a long just because we're over the VWAP line in my strategy. So I'm hoping that this comes back up and you know what I'm saying. But right now I'm at 994. So
Okay.
not doing too bad.
Yeah,
We're
that's
hanging
pretty
in
good.
there.
No, that's
Yeah.
good.
Word.
That's
Yeah,
good.
we got like 32 more minutes. So that's
Yep.
how it is in these, you know, the first season when I was on, you'd be in a trade and then, you know, the show's over and then it would have popped off. So it's, you know,
Yeah.
Yeah, we decided going a little bit longer.
Surgical with that shit.
Well,
Made
Keeper,
sense.
it's time
I
to
know
go
it's that
around.
time. It is that time.
Again for the hot seat. So let's go around and get everybody's P&L and see who is going in the hot seat.
All right, guys, real quick, rattle off your.
Bro just smoked a doobie off screen because of his trade.
It's going to shit. Oh, it's going to 0. Oh, man.
do me a favor if you could rattle off your P&Ls real quick for me, guys. Go ahead. Just
265, 28.7.
Wait, hold on.
580.
We're jumping off screen. Hold on.
Mine is
I'll off AJ.
1022.
okay.
1001.7.
Okay.
1,068.
What'd you say, Alex? 1,068.
Yep.
Okay. Jenna.
945.
Okay. Who did I miss here? I don't
994.62.
994. Okay. And Nick said he was at 9, about the same thing. Nick,
Yeah,
what'd you say?
994.73.
Oh, look at you.
Me and my
two.
brother are neck and neck, dude. I wonder if we're on the cusp.
That's close.
It'll be
The
one
hot
of us.
seat bros. The hot seat bros.
Army, what are you at?
I'm at 782.
It doesn't matter.
Oh!
That doesn't matter. Blood.
He's groping.
It doesn't
I'm
matter.
at
He already did the hot seat.
948.
Oh, blood making a.
Oh, he made it back.
Making a
Nice.
little
I
run
am
up.
groping.
All right. So the bottom two are Crow and, drum roll, please, Jenna. All right. So Crow and Jenna.
I'm getting beat by a girl, damn it. But that's okay.
Let's go, Jenna.
All right. So Jenna, I'm going to spin for you first. Here we go.
Do not give me XRP.
After I give you guys both of your assets and
XRP.
leverage, you guys can get in here.
XRP.
So we've got
ICP.
We gotta just sing the Crow song.
What is
Yeah.
comp?
comp is ICP, right?
No, comp is compound.
Oh,
No,
comp is compound. Okay.
Compound.
My bad.
Yep.
Just kidding. ICP is probably what ICP.
Yep.
Yeah. Internet
Yep.
computer.
Internet computer.
Was a tough one. So compound at
How much? All right.
Ooh.
25.
All right.
Oh, she likes it.
Oh, that's
I
her.
love it.
That's nothing
I
to
love
her.
it.
That's nothing.
She
I
likes that
can't.
leverage.
The max on comp is 8.33.
All right, well,
Get it, girl.
then that's what you're gonna
That's
go
where
with.
you're at.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it
Oh my
another
God!
Suey?
You have to do two of them.
You got the two of them.
It's another it's another Suey trade.
Suey again? What the hell?
It's another Suey trade. And drum roll, please, Crow. Suey at
158.
Oh, did he get the
Yeah,
low
two
ball?
X.
He did.
Man,
There's
that's
only
not
one of
even
those.
fun.
Hey,
It was
If
feeling
I'm
bad
gonna
for
lose,
you.
I'm gonna lose big.
every
Hell,
dog
it's
has his
2X.
day.
It was feeling bad for you, Crow, is really what it was. It was like, damn, this man's down a decent little bit. We need to, encourage him here. All right, you guys
I'm
can get
here
into
for an
those trades.
adrenaline rush, man. Not like
Well,
Well,
listen,
2x is the minimum. You
Jason
can
strikes
pull that up if you want.
if you want to throttle the leverage above, 2x
Oh, I
is just the
can?
minimum. Yeah, if you
Okay,
want to
let's-
throttle, if you think it's going to help you, just in and
Oh.
out of a trade in 10 minutes.
That's
it'll
not
only
fair.
let me go so high.
How's
Well-
that fair? If I can only 8.33 action,
you're not
and they
going
can go
against
above
each
You know
that.
what?
You're
I'll
not
make
going
it
against
fair.
each other. You're not going against each other.
You're
Oh,
just
okay.
going against the trade.
I'll make it 8 I'll make mine 8x. How's that?
I feel better.
So yeah, I like to keep it fair. I like to keep it fair. If I get beat to hell, then I have something to use as an excuse.
Always looking for an out.
So I have to get in the trade right now, right?
Yeah, you
Yes,
got
sir.
10 minutes to get out of that trade profitably.
Crypto
that's
Angels
my-
with a $2 super chat, and he is a member. So shout out to Crypto Angels getting 4 more slots on the wheel. Crypto Angels knows the benefit. He's already been taking home some money.
Oh
Bitcoin
shit! Hold on, I got to
just-
do market. Hold on.
Yeah,
I
make
love
sure you get out of
Bitcoin
that
with
trade
this
profitable. Now you're taking another 2%.
Oh, I just missed a damn pump too. But oh well. Am I even in a fucking trade? Okay, now.
Well, you can short, you can long it, short it, whatever you want. There's no, we're not giving you the direction.
I went long, but after the candle pumped and then it just reset.
Well, you can go long and then short. I don't care how many times you do it, but you might get eaten alive by fees going back and forth. But
It's all good. I'm not worried. What is this? Activate reward.
X.
Powering up over there.
So right now, AJ and Alex look to be AJ, Alex, and Evan are in profit. Face and Nick Cypher are really damn close, unless that's changed and maybe they've come up. But overall, everybody's doing pretty well. This is not an easy task. Being told you have to trade. You have to trade.
See, I trade full book. All these guys are trading with $50, $100, playing it super safe.
No,
Man.
I put my shit in.
There needs to be a minimum number of trades.
Yeah, I mean,
We
I
talked
just
about
dip my
that.
toe in.
We
Yeah,
talked
yeah.
about that,
The
Blood.
minimum
We didn't know how y'all would feel about the minimum number of trades because we already felt like we were given the hot seat, which was something that was other than we're already making you trade. Like we're open to it, but we just didn't know how you guys would feel about it. We
I
should
want to make it as difficult as possible. So 10,
Some of us
10
have
trade minimum.
reputations to uphold. I
10
know
trade
not all
minimum,
of you
all
do.
50x minimum.
Listen, I got scolded by Daddy Face for making someone do a certain amount of leverage on one of the shows in season 1. You know what I mean? So
Daddy.
Dad called me and said, "You're gonna make people look bad." I said, "Okay, I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad."
Daddy face.
Daddy
Big
face.
Daddy.
Too
Right.
good.
Oh,
Only
shoot.
my good friends call me Daddy.
That sucks to be them.
Yeah.
All right, so Jenna, you are in. Jenna, did you get Sui or did you get the comp trade?
I got comp.
You got comp, and then Crow, you're in the Sui
Oh.
trade.
Suey's suing me out right now. That's what's happening. I think Jenna's safe. I think she's gonna do all right.
I'm
He's a little
down
Japanese
$2
guy.
and
He's like
98
laughing
cents.
at you on another computer.
I'm down $10. So
We've got what 25 minutes left on the show for everybody to become as profitable as
This
possible.
market
If
is
you are-
absolutely going nowhere.
yeah, if you're
It went up,
calculating
then
your own
came
P&L,
down.
Yeah.
what was that?
What'd you say, Blood?
I said the market is going like nowhere. It's going up, then come down, and it's right.
because
back
we
where
missed
kinda
all the
started.
action.
We did, yeah, we did.
Now it's
We
just
sure
getting
did.
its little resettlement, retrace, and it'll just hang
Mhm.
out until tomorrow morning.
It's funny,
Right.
it's funny how
Right.
volatile it was until the minute we all started trading, and then it
Yep.
Exactly what I was
Yep.
saying. I'm like, oh my god,
Sure
this is
did.
where I would really be trading, not this little fucking fee sucking shit.
Ooh. Oh, we're dumping right now.
More
Just
in
let it
swapping and
undulate, bro.
groping with fees than I have in any actual trade.
Evan, are you saying we're dumping right now? Show me what you're
We're
looking at.
dumping a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, we are.
Oh yeah, it's all going to hell.
It's crashing.
all
Looking
going
at.
to crashing.
Oh my god.
Wait, it doesn't
I
matter.
just switched. to
Oh,
short.
okay.
Arnold with a
Happy's-
$10 super
Happy's
chat,
pumping
put
a
on
little
the
bit.
wheel.
Okay.
I'm doing it.
It doesn't matter what my P&L is as long as it's profitable.
Nope.
Yeah, it needs
No.
to be profitable above the fees.
Can I close it now?
Yeah, sure.
Or I have to wait
Yeah.
the 10
Profitable.
minutes?
No, you don't have to wait the 10 minutes. You just have up until 10 minutes to make it profitable and close out of it.
Oh, shit. All right.
I'll put you in the jump here.
We got 23 more minutes, guys, before the end of the show. You don't want to be at the bottom two on your P&L, so start doing some math and start making some trades.
Evan, what were you looking at? Were you seeing a big dump on something in particular, or
think
Well,
we
yeah,
want to
everything
find
did
what
come
big
down.
dump
We're hitting a
means.
big point again on PayPay. And let me just look at Bitcoin.
are you in a Pepe trade?
Yeah, that's the only thing I'm in right now, Pepe Long.
Okay, all right. Pepe Long, it's going against you, huh?
Need this double
Oh, no,
bottom.
I'm still in profit, but not I'm in $3 worth of profit, so
Okay,
not as much
That's
as I'd
good.
like. But, yeah.
all right.
But we definitely got to redefine what big dump means because everybody keeps saying that.
No, Crusader's just mad that he was
not
wrong
mad
when
about
I
saying
said that the market was going to dump from the spot ETF, and he
Dump.
keeps saying
Oh
this
my
isn't a
God.
dump. This isn't.
It's
This
not.
is crypto.
It's
This
not.
is
It's
crypto.
called
I listen. I don't know if you. I got out on Friday. I said that on Twitter on Friday.
Man.
Thursday night. Thursday night. I got the tweet. Thursday night. I said I'm out. It's buy the rumor, sell the news. That's exactly what happened.
Yeah, but we didn't dump down that much.
Well, I mean, we went all the way
Not
up
yet.
effectively 49 and went down to
Sideways
42.
for a while.
That's not a dump, man.
49 to
Whoa.
42?
Bro,
Where
we
were
I mean, if we go
went
down
from-
to like 37, then yeah, then it's a dump.
That was a
Oh,
10%.
that's
38
what it is.
that star.
That was
Oh,
a,
You
that
gotta,
was
yeah,
literally
you gotta dump at least 10K plus before you
Yeah,
start calling
yeah.
it a dump.
Oh,
it's not a
That's what I
dollar
would
amount,
say.
it's a percentage amount. And we dumped from peak to high. It's 12, 13%.
yeah, like
That's a
13%.
decent- that's a
Where are you guys
decent
in the
move
stock
down.
market? You guys in the stock market? We're in crypto.
well, yes,
here.
we
We're in
are now.
30%.
We are now.
Yeah, we are now.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's right.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Immense decay.
It definitely moved that direction. We'll see.
I'm
what,
in another short.
see what happens. You said, Alex, you're in a short. What are you looking at?
Yeah.
Let me pull up. I'll pull up.
Oh,
your
I
screen.
shorted SEI again. Just waiting for the swing failure. Caught that. Up
Do you have
10 bucks.
your screen?
I've taken
Yeah,
profit
yeah.
once.
I'm out of my
Guys,
trade in
fuck.
profit.
Oh yeah,
Yay.
prove it, prove it,
All right.
prove it,
All right.
prove it.
Guys, I'm pretty excited about it.
That's impressive because it's not easy. We're only giving you 10 minutes, and then yeah, that's not easy.
Here's the
congrats on
comp
that.
trade.
Where is
So-
her screen? Let's see here.
Can you see it?
Yeah, there.
All right, there's comp. I'm out with $4.60 up.
Nice.
Congratulations,
Shit.
Crusader. Give her the
Thank
round of
you.
applause.
Okay.
Nice.
First
Nice.
person to actually accomplish the hot seat challenge.
Yes.
Heck yeah.
Awesome. Amazing things will happen, as her sign says.
It says work hard, be kind, and amazing things will happen. But unfortunately,
Oh.
that part's chopped. But amazing things will happen. That was amazing.
They will happen. Not for me today, but they're
All
gonna
right,
happen.
Crow. Your 10 minutes. Your 10 minutes is up. You got to exit the trade. How did it treat you?
Horribly. Like every button I've touched on this fucking thing since we started. I'm down to 518 now.
Okay, so you had a 2% hit.
I think I'm going
Now, that's a dump.
100x.
See,
soon.
50% loss is a dump.
I mean, okay, yeah, but that's leverage trading. Come on.
That's
You said a 60% dump is, or a 60% loss is a dump.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, so it's 13% with Bitcoin. But
Oh, yeah, sure thing, Bob.
whatever.
This show
I'm
is
with
really
you, Keeper.
fun.
I'm with you.
Like, this is fun. This is an amazing show, guys, by the way. Thank you for having me. Like, this is just so much fun. No matter what happens, like, this is a blast.
Well, we're glad you're here, and you were just able to execute on the hot seat. So shout out
Right.
to you.
There you go.
That was fantastic.
All I know is Jenna's a bird killer.
Bird
I need
killer.
some context.
What does that mean?
Well, I'm the crypto crow, and you
He's the
just
crow.
killed.
Oh.
Everybody's so quick today. You're quicker than trades.
Pretty
Oh,
slow
that
on the
one
uptake
flew right
there.
over my head.
Boom.
Put on dun.
Let's go.
Is it me or does Crypto Blood's chair look like somebody else bending over when he's not sitting? I could have sworn.
See this?
You just see a couple of pair of
No,
hands.
I see.
Wrong angle. No,
Hold on. Spin the chair a little bit.
put the chair. Never mind.
That takes some imagination.
Chat,
Yeah,
sign
man.
up
Mine
for
up
the
better,
competition. Listen, we've got about 300 people in here. Smash those likes if you haven't already. Follow all the creators on the stream. Thank you guys for your support. But sign up to LevX. Use our link. There's up to a 5K bonus there. So make sure to get involved. And on top of the bonus, the top 3 traders are going to win money. And word on the street is, depending on how many people trade, that number could get large. So make sure to sign up. Could get into the 5-figure numbers. So make sure to sign up and trade against each other.
Let's get a pump for the last 20 minutes of the
Come on.
day, man.
Please.
Oh, that would be
on,
nice.
bro.
That would be
Please.
nice.
No.
I'm long.
The only way
now.
you're getting a pump is if I go short. So
So go short for
Go.
it. Sacrifice.
Big dump on
Come on,
Bitcoin
Crow.
right now.
Play the greats asking.
Oh,
if
no,
there's
we're
no
dumping?
No, there is no
Big
KYC.
dump on
Yeah.
Bitcoin. Retest of the trend line.
Shit.
Clay the Great says no KYC, correct? That is correct. Clay the Great, no KYC. And
We're dumping.
don't believe that they're going to have
Dumping on
KYC,
Bitcoin.
so yes, you are.
Retest right now though of trend line.
Come on. We got the 1 seconds fighting back. Come on.
A 1 second.
Yeah,
shot.
we're
Anyone
on
who
the
wants
one
to-
second.
Yeah, that's right.
Let's go.
I think Jason Casper trades on like a crazy low time
He
frame.
likes those 5
Made it
seconds.
all. Anyone who says any like, oh, 1 minute, that's because they don't got the tools and they don't know.
Got to have that pro account.
Yes,
That's right,
sir.
man.
Yes.
Extra little 30 seconds.
Yeah,
That
30
shit's like
seconds.
$5,000 a year now. These fuckers.
Every year I buy it on Black Friday, and then
Yeah, we bought it on Black Friday too.
I buy it
It's
every
like
year on
300
Black
bucks.
Friday. Yeah, that's what I do.
That's the way to go.
I've been
AJ,
living on
how you doing, bro?
referral
good,
stuff.
man.
for
Just
trading.
super busy, but having
I was
fun.
talking about your trade.
No, he's talking about trading, AJ. He doesn't care about your personal life.
Oh well, we're friends. We talk. I'm Team Market Cipher. You know, I don't know.
Yes,
I know. I think, dude. I think strategy tells me that just take my dollar and survive. That I think that's
I like that. I
It's
like
that's
that.
alpha right there. You can't lose if you don't
It's
lose.
real. It's humbling. It's real.
Hey,
I've
listen,
been
this
late
is all
for
about
show.
surviving, so I'm not hating on the strategy.
Yeah, on the first.
playing
yeah,
the
that's-
game.
That's a cool strategy
I'm
on the
playing
first
the game.
show.
I don't think it's a bad strategy at all. I don't
No,
think it's a bad
it
strategy at all.
is if you're not trading.
Yeah.
Someone else is winning.
I'm saying right now. I'm saying right now. He knows.
No, that's
Yeah.
great strategy.
Yeah,
Great
yeah,
strategy.
right now.
I'm in profits. I'll take it.
He's in profit.
Great
He is. Yep. It'll work for
Boom.
now. Let's see. So we did the hot seat twice. Just by a quick glance, it looks like the bottom two, possibly, unless this has changed, would be Crow and I believe Army.
Yeah.
Man, you just kicked my ass out right now, for real. This is silliness.
Well, the chat is going to
All
get to
in,
save
all
one
in,
of you
all in
two.
long Bitcoin right now.
We will
Is that
find
what
out who that
happens?
is.
The chat.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
chat saves one of the two lowest traders.
The chat is going to save somebody at the end. So chat, stick around.
Popularity contest, huh?
Stick around. We're gonna see who gets saved.
Yeah, pretty much.
They got to go into the
That would be a
redemption
popularity.
bracket.
How
and
many
then
friends
fight
do you
for what
have?
we want.
Yeah.
Those folks gonna win that one.
The only reason anyone would save me is to watch me lose the other half next week.
Yeah.
Bro,
That's a perfect reason
It's
why
very
he's coming back,
entertaining.
ladies and gentlemen.
That's it, man.
That's his
It's the
presidential
alpha.
speech there. Debate.
Crux of Crypto, shout out to you. Appreciate the love. Appreciate you for being here. Yeah, you guys could be hanging out anywhere on a Monday, but you're hanging out with us, MLK Day, and I had a dream that everybody was going to be profitable, but today, unfortunately, that's not what's happening.
If I would have just stayed in the damn short I started at the top of this thing, I would have saved like $300 in fees, and I'd be way ahead.
You might
Yeah.
actually be saved this week.
There's no if I would-has.
Magic didn't show.
Yeah,
If
Crow,
was
there's a
fifth,
chance. There's a
if-
chance
hey,
because
there's a
Magic
saying.
didn't show.
If is a fifth, we all be drunk.
If there's a fifth, we'd
Oh,
all
we're
be
pumping.
drunk. Yes.
We're pumping.
We're pumping? No.
A little bit. I'm pumping.
I'm bouncing off support.
Let's go.
Yeah,
baby.
yeah.
I know
We're
you're
pumping on the 1
second.
second.
Break up fire.
We're pumping on the 1 second.
On the 1 second.
5 second. We're pumping. No, we are. Look.
I know we are. I know.
Y'all gonna make
Look,
me
we're up.
FOMO.
We're up. Look, 0.18.
Yeah, but look at the volume. There's no
This
real
is the
pump
one
there.
right
It's just
here.
to fuck with you, like it's been doing for me for
You're
the
getting your
past
little
hour.
bounce.
Yeah, but I'm $6 in profit now.
All right. So whose screen do we have pulled up right now?
That's me.
Yeah,
Alex?
Alex's
All right,
screen
Alex,
pulled
what are you
up.
saying? Give us your
This man's
analysis.
the guy who's winning today. Let's see
Retesting
what
here.
he
That's
has
all
to
I can
say.
see. It's a breakout retest of the downtrend here.
Okay.
We failed to get above this big trend line, which is like for the whole range. So that's the concern here. Is this huge trend line here? Is that you're not holding above it, so
Okay.
you could be looking for more downside.
And Alex, for all of those
Purple
who
and
don't,
orange candles, huh?
That's the one.
for all of those who don't follow you, Alex, what kind of a trader are you generally?
I'm intraday, so I scalp and I'm done by 2 o'clock. I'm
Intraday.
like 8 to 2 o'clock, but I'm mostly done by noon.
Yeah, where all the money is. Exactly.
Quick.
Let's get it.
So yeah, my system, usually on average 7 hours I'm holding my trades, keeper.
That's a normal time frame for you.
Yeah, on average
Makes sense.
7 hours per
Okay.
per pair. Yeah. So.
Can we
I've
get a
always made the
read?
most money at 8 o'clock, waiting, watching everything line up to the 9:30. Make your trades and out by noon, and that's what anything after that is when you lose money from what
Yeah.
I've always done.
Totally.
Very true.
I see a lot of head shaking going on screen. Here,
In other
so-
words, where we start the show is where everybody should stop fucking trading.
Yeah. Exactly.
Very true.
Trade for all the wrong
Very
reasons.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the one.
Can we get like a read on the PNLs? Because I don't know if I want to enter a trade in the last 12 minutes, but
Hush
if I'm screwed, I
yeah,
may
well,
have
we
no
actually
choice.
we're going to grab one at 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll go ahead and grab those real quick.
You're
I'll-
good, Jenna.
Yeah,
Our
she's-
buddy Crow and,
she's playing the
and
game.
Army are. They're
Well, I don't
solid.
know. Army, where are you at right now?
I'm up $5 on a trade.
Okay,
It's
that's
not
But
gonna,
overall,
not
where
gonna
are you
fix
at?
me. Not gonna
he
fix
said
me.
it's not going to fix me.
700 something.
Army, are you in the 700s?
Yeah,
That's a good
yeah,
credit
yeah.
score, but
775.
not for the
It's a
trading war.
good credit score.
778,
All right, so-
775,
great
778.
FICO
I'm
score.
right in there.
and then Crow is not in a great credit score either. He's in the 5s, I believe.
I couldn't finance a candy bar with my credit score. I'm at 504. I have to go to a payday joint and pay 300% interest to buy a Snickers.
He's trying to get a payday loan. That's right.
All
So
right, well,
Oh, good
Magic
Lord.
didn't show, so he's an automatic disqualifier, right? There would be two people,
Yeah.
and then only one person gets saved. Only one person showed up, which is Crow. So I think Crow jumps into the redemption.
So yeah, Crow, you'll jump into the redemption bracket since Magic didn't show. So are you? So now it won't be this Thursday because we got to get somebody else that gets voted off. So it'll start next Thursday. Will be the first.
So I have to
round.
wait until next week to find out if I get my shit kicked. Is that what's happening?
No. Listen, I'm telling you, he's gonna do a 1v1. It'll be next Thursday against whoever gets saved on Monday's show. So
is he going to be on our show on Monday?
No, he'll be on Thursday.
Why not?
Well, I guess we could.
Because he's in the redemption. He's no longer part of this group anymore. He got kicked.
Oh no.
Crow is?
Yeah.
If
What
he
am I?
leaves, I fucking leave.
Old all day?
Crow's too big to fail.
Good one. Good one.
That's a good one.
We're not talking
Go
karate
on.
combat here.
I'm
Yeah, how's the
fragile. I'm a
training
lover, not
going,
a
man?
fighter.
Crow.
Is anybody still in a trade
How's
right
the
now?
training, buddy?
In the last 10 minutes,
yeah.
anybody still
I'm
trading?
still-
Yeah,
I'm still
in,
trading.
Hey, babe.
I'm in 8 trades right now, baby.
I said
Well,
he's-
let's
I'm
get
asking how his
training.
fight training is. It's never mind.
I'm still in that.
Yeah, how is
Philly.
it going, Crow?
How's what going?
1, 2,
Your fight
Oh.
camp.
5,
I mean,
7 trades.
I don't even know what to say at this point. I don't know if I should. I really don't know what to say. I mean, I'm excited. I'm ready. I'd fight right now. I'm good. I don't.
Okay.
You're ready.
We've got time.
Do you
I'll
know
be
when
there.
it's going to be?
Yeah, it's the 23rd of February in Mexico City in Polanco or something. It's like
Oh,
the Beverly
yeah,
Hills of
yeah.
Latin America.
Yeah.
I've been there. Polanco
I
is
thought
like
it was
a cool
in
spot.
the DR. They moved it.
No,
Yeah.
that's different.
They
Oh,
moved
that's
it.
different.
But it's not. I don't think it's 100% signed yet. That's the thing. So they haven't announced it. Dave told me that once they sign everything, then the announcements will start flying and things will start picking up.
Gotcha.
I might go to that.
I'll be there.
Starting to get a little move up.
I'll be there. Unfortunately,
Hopefully.
not fighting now.
You're not fighting now?
No, dude, I have
Yeah,
a
broken
full-on
rib.
broken rib. You didn't hear?
Man, fuck your rib. You can fight.
Yeah.
Ribs ain't shit.
Dude, I have a broken rib.
even
Trust me,
laugh
I
or
wish.
talk.
I
How
know,
you gonna get a
terrible.
broken rib from some scrub in a gym?
Hey, you can blow yourself now though. That's good.
Exactly. You and Marilyn Manson can hang out.
Yeah, Marilyn Manson.
Oh,
Remove
my
that broken rib and get to
God.
Get to work.
Only on the left side.
Oh shit! If somebody broke my ribs, I'd probably never leave the house.
That'd be the first thing I'd do. God
Be
dang.
flexible, man.
Oh my god, that's hilarious. Post said just rip it out, keeper. Yeah, if we were going biblical with it, I'd just rip it out and create a woman like Face suggested I do.
Piper,
Do
you
you
just doing
legitimately snap a rib, or is it just bruised?
No, I have a broken rib. You haven't seen the X-rays?
No.
I have a legitimate broken rib. Yeah, it's not even just cracked. It's
Legitimate.
broken. It's like when I push on it, it clicks. It's
It
fucking
looks
bad.
like it's not even there anymore.
Yeah, it's
pretty
bad.
Well, hell.
It sucks, dude. Trust me. The
Yeah, I
doctor.
didn't
So I
realize
asked 2 doctors, and then I asked my coach, and they said, listen, with the amount of time that takes to heal, if you were to fight again with how it is right now, your chance in puncturing a lung because of
Yeah.
which
If
is-
that's
which
what I'm
is
saying. If it's
crazy.
legitimately broken, you're done.
Yeah.
But if it was
Yeah.
bruised, you take that shit.
No,
out
hell
and
no.
go.
Bruised ribs. I had bruised ribs before the break happened for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. No,
I've
some
broken ribs before
Who's
racing.
your
Some-
trainer, man? You're supposed to have pads on. You're supposed to have what the hell?
Yeah,
is
bro.
going on?
we were
Long
in
story.
fight camp. It's a long story, but there was some guy that used to fight pro and wanted to show off and did a spinning back heel kick in like just absolutely not something you should be throwing in training.
And he told him to go easy
I told-
on him at
and-
first too. He
yeah,
said,
the
"I'm
dude-
old, and can you go easy on
Uh-huh.
me?" And then he
Are you
fucking spinning
serious?
heel
What a
kick,
dick.
fucking him right in the ribs. He's fucked up.
Yeah,
What an
dude, it's
idiot.
super messed up because we're in fight camp. We've got one person after the other coming in. Myself and Samaj, the other guy, don't get any rest. And he comes in and he says to me, he was like, "Hey, take it easy. I'm old. I'm out of shape." And literally the first punch he gets on me is literally a jab to a backhand. And it was quicker than, it was so fast that I immediately knew this dude's just full of crap. You know what I mean? But sorry, I'm like, but yeah, so at any event. It was
down, bro.
That's
Calm
pretty
down.
fucked up. I think
Not
I might have
fucked
done
up, man.
yeah.
Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt
You should
yourself.
find that guy and fuck him up.
My coach was pissed for sure.
Yeah, because he cost you a big opportunity. I'd probably sue
Yeah.
his ass for that shit.
Well, I
Yeah,
was
you were
super
ready,
pissed, dude.
and you
No
had
kidding.
real beef. You had real beef with that guy.
I was looking forward to it. Yeah. So if we do it again, I've already told Rodney if we if the Influ Fight Club happens for a second time,
Is there going to be a season 2 for that? Like a second round?
I think it's
so.
gonna depend on how the first fight goes. You know what I mean? How successful it is.
I want to know there is because I want to call somebody out.
All right. Cool.
Oh,
it's not Oh yeah.
Man,
All right,
who
let me
you wanna
go.
Call out. Who you want
Oh, you'll find out.
We got 316 people anxiously awaiting to hear Crusader who you want to call out. I mean, you know,
Don't
Might as
find
well do
out.
it now.
You got to come back for next week.
Yeah.
come back next week to find out. Hey, who is still in a trade right now? We got like 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Let's start.
yeah,
with-
Me? I closed that shit.
You know,
I got $1,000 profit.
I'm out.
I'm in
Okay,
sixth
so
I'm
grade.
still in a
I
trade.
mean,
let's start gathering the P&Ls and see who's
Oh.
in.
Damn,
Why we got to keep doing this P&L shit?
Well, no, we know wherever we know where.
First place. That way we can.
Shame.
Yeah, I just need to know who's at first place. So who's got the who's profitable? Let me ask that. Who's profitable? Okay, AJ.
AJ's up $1.
Alex?
AJ hasn't traded the whole dog.
AJ 's
time.
I traded 3 times.
He-
Three
he put in
trades.
three
Your little
trades.
$1 trades don't count.
Yeah.
Well, no, I was actually up $40 and the fees ate it when I was down 20, and then I went.
That's
up
happened to
40,
me for an hour and a half.
You said
Well,
you were going to outtrade me
Why
on your
do you
live
not have
today, too.
$1,001?
All right,
I
so
was a degen.
Crow,
It
you
looks
go
like-
50x. How much leverage did you crank on that shit?
Oh, dude, I'm at 47.50 on both ways.
Yeah.
so Alex, what's your number at right now?
1090, 48.
Let's go. Even higher than it was before.
Oh, good.
Yeah, dude.
Yo,
Killing.
go give Alex a follow. Somebody in the chat put his YouTube
Yeah,
on
we
there.
gotta do a
He's
little
almost at
spotlight on
800
his
on
act.
YouTube. He's building. Go give him some love.
Heck yeah.
Thank you, guys.
First time on the show. Congrats, bro. You
Yeah,
get
congratulations,
immunity. You get immunity for next week, Alex, so you can be as big of a scrub as you want to be
Oh,
next week.
I can
And,
degen. Perfect.
you can go wild with it, but just
You can go
understand.
pro with it for a whole hour and a half, and you'll
Just
be good.
Inverse Crow, send me those signals, man.
Okay, I will. Let's work
Yeah.
it out. Every time I get a hunch, I'll tell you, so you can do the polar opposite.
Yeah.
Oh my
This
god.
guy, man.
Yeah, that's dope, dude, for sure. Congrats on that. Yeah, so we were gonna have Magic here. So Magic is gone. And so Crow will move over to the redemption bracket. So Crow, you're more than welcome to let's talk about that, Crusader, because we need to figure out.
Maybe we put him and Magic on the redemption arc on this Thursday.
Is that gonna throw off our schedule?
Maybe we'll just have
Let's talk about it. We'll talk about
have an extra
an
elimination.
extra 1v1 or whatever.
No, we'll have an extra elimination or something on a day or something.
We'll figure it out. Let's talk about it. We'll talk about it. Everybody that's watching, just shout out every Monday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We appreciate all of you for being here. We are going to be rocking out season 3. Everybody's trying to survive, as you see. This is incredibly difficult. We are putting them in tough situations, tough spots. Make sure that you guys sign up, though. We are we as in Levex is giving away some big money. So depending on how many people trade, that number could get really big. And just want to shout out to, let me pull it up right here. All right.
Piper loves those confetti things.
There you go. You've got up to a 5K bonus. So sign up with our link in the chat. We're really excited about Levex. And then shout out to Market Cypher as well. We've got a 20% off link down below. A lot of the traders on the stream using Market Cypher. So make sure to check that out as well. And then reminder, Flipper Hodl is on Friday. $4,100 on the line. I believe we have Gareth Soloway coming on. It's a mix between Deal or No Deal and Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. And somebody in the chat, somebody on the wheel, toss in those super chats is going to win that money. We've given away $3,500 in the last 4 weeks, Crusader, I think.
Yeah. And they have all week to come into our live stream, send in a super chat, and make sure that they get as many slots as they possibly can to try to
Did
win.
you guys get Jenna on your Flipper Hodl yet? She wants
We
to
have
do Flipper
we have
Hodl.
not. We have not.
So
We're
want
gonna
to do that.
Yeah,
we
get
just
her
started
on.
bringing content creators on. So.
Yeah, we just started that. Yep.
You got to get in line first, Jack.
You
All right.
gotta get in line.
Put me on the list.
Noted. Noted.
Noted. All right, so it is that time. We love you guys. We appreciate all of you for being here. Make sure to follow everybody on the stream. You guys, we appreciate each and every one of you for coming on. We got Crow moving over and the rest of the crew next week back. Alex O, shout out to you, brother. You were #1 today. You have immunity next week.
Good job, Alex.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
multiple trades too. Good shit, bro.
Congrats. Question
Yes.
everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time, hodl
like a top.
we will see you soon.
Peace.